Ito na yung aking, ano, ito na yung aking.
Ay! Ah! Oh my God. Boy crazy. Noodles. Tita Nora, talaga papakita ko talaga. Papaano ko yung kwart, yung tinda.
Ning! Yeah.
So good. You guys should eat this. You should go visit the Philippines and eat this. It's called carbonara. This is its look. That's its package.